That gravy, onions, peppers, chives, cilantro, basil. That's that gravy. Chicken and gravy. That's that gravy. Beautiful white rice, roasted garlic, and sauteed shrimp, spinach. Blessings, guys. Blessings and peace. Have the most amazing evening. And as Miss Brown said, if you can't, don't you go around messing with nobody else's. Guys, be sweet. Be kind to each other. Love on each other. We only have this one life. Enjoy it. Live it like you want. Take care of yourself. Do all the good things for yourself. Blessings and peace. I'm out.